Hi guys, as I already tortured you with the TX audio comparison of my 3 HF transceivers, I thought, why stop now? So here is the RX audio comparison as a follow-up. Put your headphones on and start with a lower volume to protect your hearing. Balancing the recording volume of 3 completely different rigs was quite tricky.
And 50 watts should be enough, but yeah, you know, to be armchair copy in a Ragchew, you need a little bit more, but you know, you probably know that. But yeah, your signal's not too bad really. It's about 5 and 8, so yeah, not too bad really. So I'm using an inverted V. Had a loop before, but just threw up a bit of wire as an emergency, and it works very, very well. So I just kept it up there. Back to you. I've got an inverted V for 80. The only thing I need is something for 160 again, because the loop was very good for that. So I might throw up a loop again or make another inverted V for 160. I don't know. I have to see. We've got plenty of space. That's not a problem. But yeah, just have to see what I'm going to do there. Back to you.
For say 80 meters, and you put it up at 7 meters above the ground, then you'll be fine. You know, you'll still be putting out a good signal. I've worked people on skyloops, very, very low off the ground, even 5 meters.
CQ40 CQ, Charlie Tango 9, from Union Radio 9, India Delta X-ray. Papa Alpha 23, Whiskey Foxtrot Delta 59. Charlie Tango 9, stroke. Union Radio 9, India Delta X-ray. CQ40, Charlie Tango 9, stroke, Union Radio 9, India Delta X-ray. CQ40, CQ, Charlie Tango 9, stroke, Union Radio 9, India Delta X-ray.
Mike 6. Mexico, only Mexico. Mike 6, Kilo Fox Echo 59. QSL, QRZ. Mike 0, Zulu Juliet Delta 59.
Oh my God, yeah, I do have about 6 over 6 over 6. Okay, not a quad, a very good yawn. Okay, again, I had fun there in the Madeira Islands, and with you again. You got a pretty good signal here. You should throw up many cases. I'll put you on the cluster if that's okay. I think it's CC3, so you are 9 IDX.
Yes, radio operator. Once you start using your field flight.
Mike, what is the question again? Say again.
You feel field flight, radio operator. How much do you have before?
Okay, yeah, that's correct. My original call, Whiskey Victor 2 KBU, then when I got the general call, Whiskey Alpha 2 Kilo Bravo uniform.
Jan, I pray for you, I pray for your family, God bless you. Thank you so much. Have fun there on Madeira Island. All the best, my друг Jan. CC9, so you are 9, IDX, K8NY, 73. Okay, 73, my friend. Good luck, good year. My pleasure. Looking for the .com page for you, okay? Okay. All the best. 73, Jan. We'll see you again. I'll look at your QSO page. 73, thank you. I am working every day. Welcome. Good luck. All the best. 73, Slava Ukraine, K8NY. Okay, he's joining the radio.
Kyoto. This is Echo America 3, Bravo Echo Mike, over.
Yeah, very fine in Miguel-san. Echo Alpha 3, Bravo Echo Mike. But in Barcelona, Juliet Alpha 3, Papa Juliet Juliet. Right to that. Thank you very much. Nice signal report and nice information. You have been working the system. It's a very fine job. Your Kenwood TS-990 is a very good audio and a very powerful Alpha 77. Good radio amplifier. Good job. Your Delta Root. It's a very fine job. Family Italy. YOSHI. Yoshi is my name and QTH in Kyoto. KYOTO. Kyoto is my QTH. Yeah, 59 to 59 plus. Echo Alpha 3, Bravo Echo Mike. Juliet Alpha 3, Papa Juliet Lima, over.
Okay. Japan, America 3, Juliet, Papa Japan Lima. Echo America 3, Bravo Echo Mike. Sayonara, Yoshi.
Yeah, fine to talk to you again. Echo Alpha, Echo Alpha 3, Bravo Echo Mike, Juliet Alpha 3, Papa Juliet Lima. Just I pick you up
My 2 cents at the end. Sensitivity-wise, the FTdx3000 and the IC-705 are on par. DNR gives the Yaesu a big advantage. The recording from the headphone jack does not really do it justice. In conjunction with the internal speaker, it sounds fantastic. The noise reduction of the IC-705 does not compare at all. However, for its tiny size, the IC-705 is really an amazing rig. The Kenwood is obviously the noisiest of the three, but with strong signals, it is still very pleasant to use these days. I enjoy the simplicity of its handling. All comments are only referring to my devices, of course. Thanks for watching and listening, and until next time. 73 from Tobias, DL3 MHT and LabCat Amy.